Hi everyone, and I'm really having difficulty right now. Hi everyone, it's me Radical Ray. Yup, it's 2010 and I'm gonna be showing you a lot of video. Yep, I got my new hair. Oh yeah, well, still adjusting with that one. This is me Radical Ray and welcome to Radical Ray TV. Now anyway, this video is all about Jay. What if a guy like this, do you think he has a chance on you? I mean, Jay is a good man. Sometimes when he looks at a woman and makalimot na gali siya na may mo siya guide because of someone.
Why can he go?
Are you single?
Married na lang.
Married na lang.
Nagpa-message na lang.
Married na lang. Married na lang. Bro, ouch! Ouch! Doing some zipline in Dahilayan. Well, what happened? Our guide named Jay kinda messed up. So we ended up, instead of Manolo for Teach, well, we end up in Sumilao, Bukidnon.
Wala mo, may klaro na Dahilayan at ang sabot.
Siguro naman, gusto niya sa Dahilayan niya. Nabag mo ba yung malimalayan? Yan ang naman ko ay, patos ko yung malimalayan.
Bigay, kung kang Rubio, ging manupurtix na, ging manupurtix na.
It's a 2 hours ride going to Dahilayan. Thank you, Jay. Hi everyone, Radical Ray here and welcome to Radical Ray TV and welcome to Orajam. Bro, what can you say about our ride going to this what you call zip zone?
Whatever.
1 hour 30 minutes. Gilahos me. 1 hour abot kami sa Sumilao because of this guy.
1 hour ang biyahe, 1 hour 30 minutes ang biyahe, 1 hour man na pabalik.
Just go, 30 minutes ang sobra. Grabe. What a day for us, but anyway, oh boy. Jay.
Bro, yapin lang to ni
The camera is right there. This is for you, bro.
Yapin lang to ni sa balasot.com. Oh, balasot.com. Ano rin? Anong gagawin natin? Ano sasabihin mo?
Anong sabi mo, Jay?
Kailan na yung malawas to rin? Yan na.
Oh, yan na nga. Itusok ka na one ng pinya. Kung ano na, i-insert na itong pinya sa isang foot. That's better.
Pwede.
Sakit na, Vicky, kung mga ano talaga.
Go, Dayan. Give him your stuff. Yeah!
And this is gonna be a 1 hour and 30 minutes!
And I think our bro Don, the master of, you know, got a little bit pissed off.
Ayan ba ganit kayo yawa ka nga manan nangutanan ako putang ina. Wa kay pulos. Isutan na ako kung reason na bro. Hanay na ako tanan ako mga
Yeah, April. Chill.
And Ruby?
Something.
So, how are you related with Jay?
Ano pala yun? I'm married. Wala lang akong ring. Nabili na akong ring. Gusto ka mangulam sa ring ni Kuya.
So, this is gonna be your great day, Jay?
Of course. I'm going to make it enjoyable.
With whom?
Palayo. Kilala ba yun?
So, we're so excited right now. Hi, YouTubers. You know, one thing that we learned from this experience is that girls like, they laugh like, they're like hyenas. Like, it's like they're laughing the whole day. Look at them. Like that. You know, sometimes the best part about women is that when the guy turns their back on them, they just... Right, Jay? Right. What do you say, Don? Peace. No comment. He's married.
No comment for second.
Huh?
May wallet ka bro? Yato sa imo.
Nawala ang wallet ni Jay. Tarong Jay ba? Grabe si Guy ba eh. Abi ni mo, larabi sa imong talunggan, no? Sus, gino. Radical Ray TV, and guess what? We got here Jay. Jay, say hi. And of course, we got our friends here. Say hi, Yan, Ruby. Say hi. And of course, we got here Donato. Dako yung face. Ako lang kaput sa kajot. Okay, and that's Donato. Yeah. Okay, so
weird ang posting.
it took us like around 4 hours to reach here. Thanks to Jay. Hi, thank you so much, Jay, for
It was supposed to be just 30 minutes.
tour guide. Jay, thank you so much.
30 minutes. Our tour guide is so stupid. Him. What a stupid guy. Guide. Very, very stupid guy.
So, we're here in Dalilayan and we're gonna be having fun. It's our turn right now. Excited na. Okay, kita na. Excited siguro. Well, we love you, man. Well, my girlfriend was right there, and that was a time when she, she kind of hate me in that one. She get absorbed with my friend and, dumping me in the end. Well, anyway, it's okay, Sometimes, life could be quite unpredictable, isn't it? Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is me, Radical Ray, and Radical Ray TV. By the way, we enjoy our zip zone experience, our zip line experience at Zip Zone there in Dalilayan. So, inviting you guys to watch it and watch out for the episode on Orajam about that. But this one is a blooper type. Yeah. So, Jay, sorry if I've uploaded this video. You deserve this, man. Yeah, we love you, bro. We love you. Okay, thank you so much, Jay, for that wonderful experience, and I hope it will not happen again. Eyes on the road, dude. Okay, Happy New Year, everybody, and year 2010.